So about a week ago I went and I bought this tool right here, and I was so excited to use it, but I didn't have a reason to use it. I didn't have nothing going on with the car. So today I actually do have the chance to use it. So what I'm gonna do is use it to take off the wheels, and for today what we're gonna do to the car is we're gonna put these tire stickers on. So a lot of you are gonna get mad at me, or if you know about this brand you're gonna get mad at me, but they are the Speed Hunters stickers. And you know, technically if you have a Speed Hunter sticker you're supposed to be fast. Well, you know what, I think it's okay to put them on, because at the end of the day this car's getting turboed anyway, right? So yeah, like I mean, it looks aggressive. I think the tire stickers, I had it before on the Charger. That's one thing that I do like. Out of all things, I'm not really a big fan of, you know, underglow and super flashy lights and stuff, but tire stickers has always been like one of my, like, pretty cool. I always thought, like, you know, like the old school muscle cars, how they came with white letters, I always thought that was pretty cool. So I'm finally get the chance to do it on this car. I've done tests before, so I'm not sure if you guys realize on the channel where what I do is I just do something temporarily, and then if I like it, I'll do it permanently. For example, the tire stickers, I got the tire letters with a paint whatever, but obviously what happens is they just fade away, right? Because you have to keep touching them. So with tire stickers, all you have to do is just clean them real good. So I liked how it looks with it already, so I knew that I was gonna like how the tire stickers were gonna come out, so that's why I went ahead and ordered it. Same thing when I done like with the Charger before, when I plastered the hood just to see what it would look like, and then later on I wrapped the hood. It's just a test, so some things I just test it first, see if I like it, and if I do, I just do it permanently. So yes, so that's what we're doing today. I already got my stuff. I got the tire stickers. I do have to lift up the car, so I do have the small jack. What I do need to buy next is that low pro jack, that Daytona one, so I can lift it up and have no issues, instead of putting it on wood and stuff like that, or have to deal with that little one that I have to pull out myself. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it the professional way. I'm not gonna mess up this time. So what I'm gonna do is take off the wheel and the tire, clean the tire real good with acetone, because that's what it tells you to clean it with, and then just clean it off real good until you don't see any more any dirt anymore. So make sure the tire is completely 100% clean, and then that's when we'll start applying our tire stickers to it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so it's been a couple hours later, and finally finished. I actually finished maybe about an hour ago, but I was hanging out with my friends here. But what's it called? We are done, and look at that, man. Look how nice that looks. You can see it from the front. And you can see the back ones. I still have the sticker on the back, so don't think I don't. Let me see if I can show you from this angle so you can kind of see it better. You see, that looks so cool, dude. Oh my god, I miss tire stickers. It looks so cool. So like, let me show you this one. You see this one as well, and let me show you a back pic, I guess, from here. Tell me it doesn't look nice. Oh my god. So yeah, so we are done, dude. I am so happy how this came out. It looks really good. I went ahead and I also got it today. While I was doing this outside, the mailman came in and dropped out my tint for the front. So like I told you guys, I was gonna cover it. I was thinking about opening up the headlight and then painting it, but I said, you know what, nah, I'll just wrap it from the outside. And I got the wrap already that came in. It's a wrap, and it's smoke film, so you could just apply it over that. But I can't do that now because it's nighttime, and we pretty much already ran out of light. So I'd rather do that during the day, especially. And then we have bugs outside, so it's not really the best time to do it. But I love how this came out. I still have 2 more days off this week, where I have Monday and Tuesday. So this, as of today is Saturday, and yeah. And then we installed this super bright light up there, and it literally we can see it's like having daytime, and this is at nighttime. So we have our lights over there. As you can tell, it's nighttime already, and I have like the whole thing light up, which is awesome because sometimes we need to go over there, and you know, you don't want to go and then there's snakes or whatever. They could be, I don't know, just saying. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. How you guys, do you like it or not, or what? Or like, would you do this, would you not? I did it on the Charger and I loved it on the Charger, and I think on a black car specifically, they look so nice, especially when you get it in white. I don't want to do color, I don't want to do red. I went in white, black and white, and oh my god, it looks awesome. So that's the little right there, where you see right there, that is the glue that we used. I'm not driving the car around. The instructions pretty much say leave it for at least an hour before you start driving, but I'm not even going to drive. I already put the lug nuts back on. I just want to double check everything before. I just want to twist, make sure nothing is loose around here, and then same thing, twist, make sure nothing's loose. And I used my brand new tool, like I said, and I torqued them with that. I know you're not supposed to, but I rather just, I didn't really use that much pressure, and I just did it to the point where it wasn't moving anymore, and I wasn't like, you know, whatever. But they're pretty much good to go. So I'm loving the look of this. I know I already said that, but yeah. So I guess in the next video I'll show you guys me wrapping the headlights, and then we should be good from there. We should already be good to go. And I was thinking about maybe doing a brow in the front, maybe just a little bit, because I don't know, I've always wanted to try it, but I'm not too much of a fan of it. But we'll try it out, see how it looks. If I like it, I'll keep it. But yeah, that's how it comes out. So I know a lot of people are gonna probably hate on me for it, like I said, because it's Speed Hunters, and Speed Hunters, technically you're supposed to be fast to have one, and this car's slow as fuck. But give me about 6 months and this car should already be turboed and good to go, and you know, they can't really say anything. But I like how it looks. I'm sorry, I have to say, before I go, real important, this one person, I usually don't give shout outs, but I do give them whenever I do feel that people are doing an amazing job in YouTube and I would want to see more of their content. So for this person, her name is Alex. She is from California and she has an FRS, and she's done modifications, same thing. And it's I just think it's so cool whenever you see a girl that works on her own car, and that's exactly what she does. She put the tail lights, she put lowering springs herself, and that's, you know, like that already there. It's kind of something that an average girl doesn't do. So I think her content's really good. If you guys want to go and subscribe to her, check her out. I know she posts really good stuff, and she's a real good friend of mine. So
yep, there we go. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you did, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I guess I'll catch you guys next time.